Hey guys, so let's get started. I've gotten the ingredients prepared. Got a little over 2 cups of chicken, not quite double. Got some green onions. And I forgot to say cheddar cheese, but you need a cup of that. Blue cheese, half a cup. You can skip this if you are sensitive to taste, and many people are. This is gorgonzola, which is a little easier to eat. I can eat this straight up, and I'm not a fan of blue cheese. I'm going to use about half a small bottle, which is about half a cup. I might add more. We'll see. I'm going to taste it first. And I'm going to start with a block of cream cheese softened. Since I have more chicken, I may be adding this other block. We'll find out. So I've also got garlic powder, ranch, pepper. So I'm going to start by putting the pepper inside of the bowl. And I'm sorry I'm not going to hold everything up. Just show you. Throw the stuff in and show you. Do some garlic powder. I had onion powder too. Where did it go? Forgot it. Seasoning enough to taste. I have a ranch packet, but you can use creamy ranch, you can use this. I'm just going to add that half a cup worth. This is half a cup of creamy ranch, but you know, this is like a quarter cup of powder. I know I'm kind of all over the place. And then I want to save some of these for the top, so I'm just going to add part of them. These are 2 really large green onions. Ooh, let's take that big chunk out. Save the green parts for the top. Let's throw in. I'm going to throw in a cup of this, and I'm going to do closer to a cup and a half, cup and a quarter. I think we're going to end up using that other block. Let's try not to block the camera this time. I only need a half cup of this, and I'm going to keep that ratio the same because blue cheese is some pungent stuff. I do like this though. I have a recipe for pork chop noodle casserole that you can make with pork chops, and it works with chicken. It uses this. We can substitute other cheese. Never done it, but we're going to try it sometime. This channel is all about teaching, growing, and learning. We all learn things differently. It's not about performing, that's for sure. Or venting. So we're going to kind of mesh this in. I think we're going to end up possibly using the other block. We'll find out. Forgot the hot sauce. That's the most important part. I don't like spicy, real spicy, but I do love this. I love spicy actually, I just can't have what I used to have. Not everybody can, and that's okay. Got our oven preheating to 375. In another video, dough, we're making sliders, and I am going to put part of this filling aside to put inside of it. I was craving this. I hadn't planned to do this, but I thought to myself, after wishing that Sonic had those chicken dippers, this could be a good substitute. I think that once we get this incorporated, I didn't shred this very fine. I would recommend shredding it a little better. It was just in this. I'm gonna be real. I'm not the most energetic of people today. I'm not a Debbie Downer, it's just how it is. I mean, as you cook this, it'll shred more. And mix it. You want it to stick together, and you want the chicken to shred into this really easily. I'm going to take a second to taste this too. Could actually use more hot sauce and ranch. Rinse this bottle out. Perfect for some homemade extract. I'll be back. I'm gonna get some more cream cheese softened. Cream cheese. Some more ranch added. I didn't add a lot, just a little bit. I did forget pepper. I just kind of want this to be similar to salmon spread, but chicken's more chunked. Kind of just stick together when it's done. Still think I'm gonna have to put the rest of that cream cheese in here. There's pieces of chicken that aren't even coated in sauce. We'll see. Depends on how easily chicken coats. I can't see what's going on. I'm going to grab my glasses. Just want to make sure that also all of the cream cheese is incorporated. And this is going to go into a baking dish. I could add more cream cheese, but I am not going to. I have some bigger chunks of green onion in here, and that's okay. Let's get another fork and taste this. I think I'm happy with that. for 3 to 4 cups of chicken and 1.5 to 2 blocks of cream cheese, as well as closer to 1/3 of a cup of ranch and your pepper, garlic, and onion powder. That 1 bottle of hot sauce seems to be perfect. It's got some heat, but it's not crazy. So I am going to put some of this aside to put into a slider. That's going to bake on its own. And I'm going to do this for get my mess cleaned up and get this in a baking dish. I'm not going to show you putting it in the oven. Just trust me, I'll pull it out when it's done. 15 to 20 minutes on 375. In the meantime, let's get the slider started and the mess cleaned up. Okay guys, again, I changed my mind. I did take a pan about this size and spread it in. So I think if you were going to do a whole roaster chicken, I did half a Costco chicken, you would use this is a 4x6, you'd probably use a 9x9 to a 9x12 if you were going to double this for a party. So now, we'll get this in the oven and I'll show you when it's done. Okay guys, don't mind the mess. I'm filming another video and I've got stuff left out. This is life. So I'm going to pull out some keto crackers, can't find them, so I did put these on keto crackers. These are just not it. I'm going to try this buffalo chicken dip. We're going to try it on a cracker. And in the oven, I've got a keto slider, but I'm not going to wait to pull those out. We're going to put some of this onto this. It's the same. Give yourself enough time and energy. That's so important. And the chicken really shredded nicely once this baked. That's really good. Oh. I forgot to make it pretty. Heat it up. Yes, it chives too. I'm just doing my thing here. I am impatient. I am hungry. I am going to try it now on a bun. It's not too spicy so far. That's the part that surprises me. I'm just going to put a piece of sharp cheddar on here, but there's cheese in it. Sorry. Okay. Don't want to make a mess. So if you've watched the chicken slider, if you've watched the slider video, here's the follow-up on that. Wow. I think I'm gonna have to learn how to make those buffalo chicken dippers, but for now better than the cracker. You know, the chicken soft is easy to eat. It's a nicer alternative than chicken salad. With some soup. That's worth the wait. Well, I'm gonna finish the other video and I'm gonna go to bed. It's time to clean up. Take care, guys.